Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll talk about the famous or important technology in the field of AI that is called Agentic AI. I think in the recent upcoming years, the many people try to upskill themselves as an Agentic AI engineer, okay, and they are making Agent AI system for the specific industry because Agentic AI is a system that can help every industry, okay. It's not just only used in software development or AI industry or any specific industry. Agentic is a system that can use in many industry. So what is actually agentic AI is? Okay, agentic AI is a type of AI that can take up a task or goal from user and then work towards completing it on its own. Okay, agentic AI is like you set up a goal for your AI agentic AI system, and agentic AI system try to complete it on its own. They don't ask question again and again from the human or from you. Okay, this is actually agentic AI. They take decision and learn from feedback and take decision. If this agentic AI system, they run a loop like this. Okay, they learn something new and apply it, learn something new and apply it and take decision automatically. Don't need any human intervention. This is called agentic AI. Okay, it plans, takes action, adapts to changes, and it seeks help only when necessary. When help is necessary, that time they will ask for help for the human. Otherwise, they try to complete the goal from its own. For example, give you example that so that you can have a clear understanding. Like for example, like if you have a holiday in the next month and you want to go for vacation, okay. So you thought that you have a also agentic AI system. So you think that let's go and ask agentic AI system. You ask that agentic AI system that I want to go next month in a vacation. So please find me the best places to go in this season or in this next month. So you go and you set agentic AI system. Agentic AI system, what will do is that they try to compare on based on some like season or weather and which place you want to go, and also they ask you that you want to go crowded place or non-crowded place, and they give you suggestion that in the next month based on the weather and season you can go beach areas, okay, sea beach. So you thought and they've also came out some of the most important beach areas and they suggest you this is the two or three best beach areas, so you can if you want to go, so please suggest one. I'll help you out to book your ticket or book your hotel. The agentic system asks you, and you said, okay, I'll go this place, this beach. Please, on day on this day, please book me a flight. And the agentic guys automatically they go try to compare the cheapest flights that can and cheapest best flight for you that can compatible with you. Okay, and you guys compare with many sources and they came out and you said that this is the best place. Can I book the ticket? You said yes, book the ticket, and in the system book the ticket and pay the price. And come and in this system also come to you that I can I book the hotel ticket hotel on that day in the next to or very close to the beach. You said yes, and they automatically book a hotel also for you. You don't need to do anything, just agentic system asks and they do this. But in the case of generative AI or traditional AI LLM models like ChatGPT, so what we can do is that we have to go to the AI bot and we have to ask question again and again. First ask which is the best places for go, they give some suggestion. Then you ask what will be the best flight, they give some output and you ask again. You have to ask every time, but in the case of agentic AI you don't need to ask every time. AI can ask you complete the goal, okay. So here what is the goal? Here is goal is that you can reach to the vacation, okay. And when you also agentic system said that if the flight is delayed also notify you. And if the when you go and the season is if it is a rainy time or it is a rainy day, in that day when you reach there, so they also notify you that please take umbrella or necessary clothes that need to uh, take up also. So they can suggestion all the time. Okay, they try to catch the weather data and through API, and they give the suggestion. Okay, everything. When you reach there, they try to they also book you the cab for you so that you can reach to the hotel. The India system do it automatically everything that human can do. Okay, like if you have a assistant, so assistant do all the tasks in the without assistant, and the agentic system do the all the things. Okay, this is actually agentic AI in simple example. Okay, so let's but in case of traditional AI, this is different. They don't know, they are not try to take decision itself. Okay, you have to give input on the based on input, they shall give some output. Okay, this is the traditional AI. So let's come to the some types of agentic AI. First thing, that autonomy. Okay, autonomy works without constant human commands. In this example, you saw that you don't need to every time need the constant human commands. Okay, automatically take decision and ask question to you automatically. Okay, this is agentic AI system. This is called reactive, proactive. But traditional AI system is called reactive. Okay, it's different. Goal driven focuses on achieving outcomes. Like here, the uh, achieving what, in this case the achieve what is the goal, so that you can reach to the vacation. This is the goal of the agentic AI system. This is the focused on achieving outcomes. Decision making picks the best option from many. In this case, the agentic AI system, they try to they fly, they compare the flight, and the flight find the best flight for you. This is the decision he took from the many of the option. This is also the case. Adaptability learns and adjust from feedback. Okay, when you, they give some mistake every time, anytime they can mistake, so here learn from the feedback. If he took, if they took unnecessary or wrong decision. Engage with tool, system and people. Okay, this also engage some tools, like you can also engage with email, most of the APIs, any generative AI models, or any system that you want to connect with. Okay, you can connect with, and they can connect with the system. They can give you the answer from this tool. Okay, this is the agentic AI system. Let's talk about the what is the difference between agentic AI and non-agentic AI system. Non-agentic AI system means traditional AI generative AI model like ChatGPT. Agentic AI system can learn from experience and adapt to changes situation. Follows strict rules, and on a non-agentic system follows strict rules and predefined patterns. Okay, this is the one difference. And the second difference is possesses decision making capabilities and cannot make independent decision. In agentic system, we saw that they try to take decision from itself, but in the generative AI model like ChatGPT, they can decision from its own. You have to give input every time. Can set and pursue its own goal, and can only execute specific tasks based on user input. Then, in the case of agentic system, they set a goal and try to pursue it like this. We saw the example. And a non-agentic system can only execute specific tasks based on user input. When you give a input, that time they execute this specific tasks. Okay, like you ask for the flat price, so they give you suggestion that some flat price. More than that, operates uh, with higher level of autonomy and relies on human manual interaction. Okay, in this case, you have to put manual interaction every time. Okay, this is the difference between agentic AI and non-agentic AI system. Okay, this is agentic AI, the new field, but this is very most important and uh, very useful thing in the AI, in the age of AI, because every company try to make something or make a build agentic AI system for the company. If you want to learn agentic AI system, you can learn it. Very important concept or very important technology in the age of AI. If you like this particular video, and if you have any query, please let me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. I will make some more video on how you can make agentic AI system from scratch. Okay, thank you guys.